I'm Mrs. Organised and welcome to my channel.
In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some easy ways to store and organise kids' arts and crafts supplies, as well as some ideas on how to store their artwork.
If you like videos about home organisation, then please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into it.
First up is this trolley from IKEA. I'll leave links to where I got everything in the description bar below. It has 3 levels, which makes it easy to organise everything into different compartments, and there's heaps of storage room on each level. I love that it has wheels on the bottom, so it can easily be moved to wherever you need it or stored away in small spaces. Although this trolley is quite compact, it can hold a surprisingly large number of stationery and arts and crafts supplies. I've maximised storage by using these containers from IKEA. The container has a hook at the back which can hang on the edge of the trolley. You can fit up to 10 containers on each level, so the whole trolley can fit 30 containers. On the top level, I've added these magazine files that I got from Kmart, which I store my daughter's sticker collection, coloured paper, notebooks, folders, and colouring books. I store stickers for my kids in this display folder. I use this clear folder to temporarily store artwork before it's put away for permanent storage. I'll show you an easy way to store all your kids' pieces of art later on in this video. On the second level, I store this Kmart art caddy. It's convenient for storing notepads, sticky tape, a stapler, glue stick, scissors and a ruler, and the handle makes it portable and easy to take in and out. I've used these Kmart mini containers to organise smaller items like rubber bands, stamps, paper clips and erasers. On the bottom level, I've stored blank paper. Adding these accessories to the trolley maximises storage space and makes packing up a breeze. Having everything easily accessible also encourages my kids to draw pictures, write stories, and use their imagination and creativity every day. Using labels to separate and categorise your kids' arts and crafts supplies is a great way to keep everything looking neat and tidy. Here I've used a label maker to create labels for my storage containers and separated stationery by type. I have a container for textures, coloured pencils, gel pens, crayons, paintbrushes, stamps, lead pencils, scissors, and twistable crayons. These shorter crayons are stored in this handy crayon holder. Having labels and categories makes it easier for your kids to find what they're looking for, and it also makes it easier for packing away. Next up, I have this kids table from IKEA. It is cleverly designed because the lids open up and there's space for removable storage boxes underneath it. I can fit both small and large tubs from IKEA, making great use of otherwise unused space underneath the table. I like to keep the table next to the arts and crafts trolley so that my kids can access everything in one place. Storing arts and crafts supplies in clear, labelled containers will keep it organised and make it easier to see and access. These IKEA containers are deep and have lots of room to store all of my kids' paint and painting tools. And what's also great is that it's stackable, so it makes good use of vertical space. I stack mine inside a cupboard with other containers filled with toys. It's easy to pull out whenever I need it, and it looks really neat and tidy. A canvas bag is also perfect for arts and crafts storage, especially for bulkier items. Everyday household items like cardboard and empty tissue boxes, paper towel and toilet paper rolls, aluminium foil and wool are great for kids to use their imagination and get creative with. I separate and store items like paddle pop sticks, pipe cleaners, sequins and other small items in these Kmart clip containers. A good way to keep the floor clear is to hang the bag on a hook, or I like to store mine on a rail using a coat hanger. You can make use of unused space behind a door by storing arts and crafts supplies in an over-the-door hanger. This Kmart hanger hooks over the top of the door, so it's great if you're renting, as there's no need to drill any holes in your walls. It has 6 levels and can hold a large number of all sorts of arts and crafts supplies. This is another type of hanger that can be hung on a hook on the back of a door. It has see-through pockets, so everything is clearly visible. And what I love about this hanger is that there are pockets on both sides, so you get double the amount of storage space. A Lazy Susan or turntable can make a lovely display and take up little space. I bought this one from Howard's Storage World, but you could also use a regular Lazy Susan and top it with some cups or containers. I also have this portable craft caddy from Kmart that is useful for storing and organising smaller items. It opens up to 3 levels and has lots of different compartments, which would be ideal for storing pom-poms, sequins, beads and other small pieces that kids can use to get creative. Moving on, let's talk about kids' artwork, which can build up pretty quickly. As I mentioned earlier on in this video, I'm going to give you some ideas on how to store it away neatly. Filing away your kids' artwork is a fast and easy way to get on top of the clutter. Here I've used these Kmart file holders and labelled it by name and year. The file holders can be stored in a filing cabinet, or if you don't have one, a file holder does just the job and can be put inside a cupboard or on top of a shelf for easy storage. Another hack for decluttering artwork is to take photos of your kids' artwork. I've stored mine in a folder with my daughter's name and year so I can print it easily if I want to. Because you have a digital image that you can keep indefinitely, you can throw the artwork away and reduce clutter. Did you know there are also online services available that will make photo books out of your kids' artwork? Just type "Turn Kids Art into Book" into your search engine to find a whole list of these services. A smart and easy way of showing your kids' artwork is to hang it on a line. Here I've used 2 hooks and a piece of string across the wall. It's a simple DIY project, and if you don't want to drill holes in the wall, you could also use stick-on command hooks. I've hung my daughter's artwork using colourful clothes pegs. Displaying artwork in this way means I can quickly and easily change my daughter's artwork as she grows older. I think it really brightens up the play area and is quicker and easier than displaying artwork in frames.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos about home organisation, so if there's anything you're interested in, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!